Hello everyone, let's start our new chapter of Civics, chapter 9, Urban Livelihoods. Yes, there are more than 500 towns and 28 big cities in India. Big cities such as Delhi, Kolkata have more than million people living and working here. Am I right? People in these big cities may be rich or poor, rich industries, or may belong to the middle class, which includes the small business and salary earner, right? And the large section, including the factory workers, rickshaw puller, are poor. In the city, the people are engaged in the different professions, different livelihoods, different occupation. Some are employed by the other, while some are self-employed. People who work on the street work for themselves. Vegetable vendor, florist, newspaper seller, or vegetable vendor, cobbler, roadside barber, people selling goods on cart, rickshaw puller, and are not employed by anyone else. Yes, they self-employed. The police can ask them to remove their shops at any time. So they have, because they have no security. The vendors are not allowed, they have not allowed to go to in a certain part of the city. They sell eatable that are also prepared at home by their family members. There are approximately 1 crore street vendor in India working in urban area. As you can see in this pic, that the pic shows us the vegetable vendor or the person who sell the goods on his thela, and the newspaper seller. Okay, the government is considering relaxing the laws that ban street vendor, so that their right to earn livelihood is recognized. So if they ban the street vendor, so it's mean they not give the way to good life. Okay, it's mean they, it is their right to live. So it is under his fundamental right to live. If they stop them to doing or selling the goods on roadside or as a vendor, so it's mean they uh, stop their livelihood, stop their livelihood, their way of living, or to it's mean they uh, violates their fundamental rights. Okay, so that is why the government considers relaxation, give relaxation in this issue. It has been suggested that there should be special area for them in the city. They should be allowed to move about in all areas. So you can see the barber shop, the lady selling small decorative item, newspaper seller, and many others, the vendor, because they have right to live. So that is why the government considering relaxation, give relaxation, the law that ban the street vendor. They allow them, they give this specified area where they can organize their shop, okay, on at the roadside, or they can go all the locality for selling their goods. Next is Bachu Manji, a cycle rickshaw puller. He said, I came from the village Bihar. So he came from Bihar. where he was worked as mason, मिस्त्री का काम कर रहा था, और उसकी जो wife है and he has 3 children, those those are living in the village. और वो कहता है कि he don't have own land, so that is why he work in other field, or he find out the uh, work, he work as a mason. So when he did not get masonry work regularly, so that is why he migrate to city for earning the money. When he reached the city, he bought an old rickshaw and paid for it in installment. And this was many year ago. Still, he is paying the installment. And his work start from the bus stop every morning and take the customer whenever they want to go. And he said till 8:30 in the evening he work. He take rides up to 6 kilometers in the surrounding area, and each customer gives around 10 to 30 per person per trip on the distance. It is depend on distance. When he said if he do not work any day, so he don't earn anything. And where he stay with his friend, which is they both taking the room on rented. Okay, and his friend is working in a factory, and he earn between 200 to 300 every day, out of which okay. No, he earned between 200 to 300 every day, out of which he spent 100 to 150 on food and rent. Okay, and rest part he save for his family. He also visit his village 2 or 3 times in a year to see his family, and to his by which through this saving, his family survive. And also his wife spend uh, he spent some money on that, and his wife is busy in agriculture work, and so that she some earns some money from this agriculture work, and she gets once which is not regular basis. So this is the story of Manji, who is a rickshaw puller.